So, circle telling me that AO is 30 centimetres, and therefore this is 30 centimetres, as are both of these radiuses here. And it's also worth noticing that if AC is a diameter, then I know obviously all the way across is 60 as well. So another circle, so let's consider another circle, has an area which equals the total shaded area above. Calculate the radius of the second circle. So I'm trying to find the radius of this second circle. Now what I know is that the area of this shape is equal to the area of those two combined. So I can find these two areas, and then I can use that to solve this second circle. So in this one, the area of a sector is equal to theta divided by 360 times pi r squared. So in this diagram, I've got that 20 divided by 360 times by pi times by 30 squared. That's the area of one of these sectors. Now, there are obviously two of them and they are identical, so in theory, I can just times all of that by 2 because there are two of them together. Now, what I'm told, before I work this out, because this is going to be quite complicated, and obviously there's a pi in there and this is a non-calculator paper. Now, I've been told that this area is equal to the area of the other circle. Now, we know the area of a full circle is pi r squared, but obviously I've represented the radius as x. So what I can say is that pi times x squared is equal to all of this lot. So that's 2 times 20 over 360 times pi times 30 squared. So that's the equation I can set up, and now it's up to me to solve that equation. The first thing I can see is that pi on both sides will cancel. I have got to work this out. How you choose to do it is entirely up to you, whether you multiply first, whether you simplify this fraction. Rather than having 20 over 360, you can have 10 over 180, which goes all the way down to 1 over 18. It's up to you which way you go about doing it. The way I would do it is I would do 2 times the fraction, so I would get 40 divided by 360 then, and then I'm going to times that by 30 squared, which is 900. From this point, you need to either again simplify this and then times by 900, or times by 900 first. I'm going to times by 900 first. So I'm going to do 4 times 9, which is 36. Then I've got 1, 2, 3 zeros divided by 360. X squared still on this side. I can cancel one of those zeros, and then I've got 3,600 divided by 36. So I get that x squared equals 100, and then x equals 10 centimetres. So the radius of the second circle is 10 centimetres.